Have you ever envisioned a goal so clearly, it felt within reach, yet somehow it slipped away? Today, we unlock the power of structured goal setting, transforming dreams into achievable plans. First, define your destination. What is the summit you're striving to reach? Break down the journey. Each step, a task, brings the peak closer to your grasp. Craft your action plan. Map out each milestone with precision and clarity. Consistency is key. Commit to daily actions that fuel your ascent. Visualize success. See yourself conquering each challenge, one by one. Adapt and overcome. When obstacles arise, navigate with agility and resolve. Celebrate progress. Each milestone reached is a triumph worth savoring. Seek knowledge. Learn from mentors and resources that illuminate your path. Stay flexible. Be ready to pivot and embrace new strategies as you climb. Connect with allies. Share your journey with those who support and inspire you. Harness technology. Use tools that streamline your tasks and amplify your efforts. Reflect and refine. Regularly assess your progress and adjust your sails accordingly. Achieve and inspire. Reach your goals and become a beacon for others to follow.